Also, next one would be regex, like how to use the string pattern matching. And if you're good with regex, you can find, like, here we say, okay, we in this sentence we will find all the regex that match this regex, and they would be like food, fair, and fast. Normally, like just starting with F. Like here we say, okay, it starts with F and can contain, and should contain actually just alphabets. And for example, if we do just 2 here, it's 1, no, okay, somehow F, A, Z, maybe second one shouldn't, yeah, exactly, so this one doesn't work. Perfect. So this is what, if you're good with regex, you would really use this one. Like sometimes regex can be really useful to have phone numbers, emails, that really follows some specific patterns. Also to construct, there are a lot of applications for regex. Here we can also use the find all, use substitute, change some things in here following some regex, and here we can also use this, let's say, this functionality replace, and we will replace 2 by 2.